let's start our poem. Okay? Rainy, rainy, falling sky. Windy, windy, bush, bush, bush. Cloudy, cloudy, hush, hush, hush. Sunny, sunny, bright and high. Yay! Okay, so today I'm going to tell you about different weathers. Do you know? Okay, so first of all, I'll ask you by showing you these flashcards, you will tell me what type of weather it is. Tell me. It's a sunny day. Very good. Now tell me, what type of weather is this? Asham, look at me. Asham, look at me and tell me, what is it? Is it cloudy or sunny? Asham, say cloudy. Very good. Okay. And tell me about this. Yes, what is it? Which weather is this? What? It's windy. It's windy. What is it? Windy. Alright. Okay. Now tell me about this one. Very nice. It's a rainy day. Rainy day. Okay. Now everyone look outside from the window and tell me what's the weather today? Rainy day. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to tell you something very interesting about all these weathers. Okay? So you have to listen to me carefully and enjoy it. Okay, Haya? Okay. Okay. One day, the sun woke up. It was very bright. See? Listen to me, baby. Listen to me. One day the sun was so bright, like today's. Look outside from the window. It's a sunny day. So it was very bright and fresh. So it was sunny day. It was sunny day. Okay. But suddenly the clouds came. Let me show you. But suddenly the clouds came and it covered the whole sun. And the weather became, Haya, weather became, yeah. Focus on me, stop playing with it, Haya. Suddenly the cloud came and see, it covered the sun. Did you see? Can you see the sun? Where? Can you see the sun? No. So because clouds have covered the sun. See? Haya, see? So it was a cloudy day. It was a Hasham, look at me. Put your foot down. Cloudy day. Okay. Let's see what happened next. Then what happened? Then a wind came. Whoosh! Whoosh! And it started running. Whoosh! And what happened then? It started shoo. Everyone do like this? Shoo. And it was windy everywhere. See? It was windy everywhere. Sajaja, did you see? It was windy everywhere. Okay, then suddenly I heard the voice of drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. Did you ever heard the sound of drip, drop? Yeah. What type of sound it is? The sound of rain. The rain came. See? The rain came and everyone was very happy and the kids were playing and jumping in the puddles. Splash, splash, splash. Haya, you were playing in the rain, you remember? Yes. playing in the rain. Okay, so it was a rainy day. So in the last, all the weathers came together. See, in the last, all the weathers came together. They said that we are friends. What we are? We are friends. Haya, sit down. Sometimes it's sunny day. Sometimes it's sunny. Sometimes it's cloudy. Sometimes it's windy. And sometimes it's rainy. Very nice, girl. Tell me which weather is this or what's it?
Sunny day.
Very nice. It's a sunny day. Very well done. Shabash, good girl. And tell me about this one.
Cloudy day.
Very good girl. It's a cloudy day. All right. Okay. And what's about it? Look at it carefully. Turn it your side. It's a windy. It's a windy day. Windy. It's windy. Okay. Very nice. And what's it?
Cloudy day.
Very good. Drip drop. Drip drop. It's a no. It's not a cloudy. It's a
Rainy day.
rainy day. Drip drop. Drip drop. Very nice. Very nice boy. Okay. Tell me about it. What's it?
Sunny day.
Sunny, sunny day. Very
Sunny
nice
day.
boy. Sunny day. Very nice. It's sunny. Okay. What's it?
Cloudy day.
Very nice boy. It's cloudy. All right. Okay. What about it?
Windy day.
Very nice boy. You're a genius boy. Well done. And what's about it?
Rainy day.
Rain.